the first topic is that Grab leverages information technology to enhance its services. Okay, so how you can Grab leverage to information technology to enhance its services, like how we can enhance the services of that one. So problem is that, for example, what are the problem? Providing customer with timely service. This is, I told you that customer satisfaction is most important thing. CRM is one of the factor, and the drivers and with the enough fares over there, right? So the most important thing is to give important like the timely service over there and enough fares over there. Second, matching demand with the resources, unpredictable sector over there. Matching what does it? This problem means like matching demand with the resources in unpredictable sector over there. It means that uh, like sometimes you have to match the demand and the supply over there. Okay, so there is always a trade off between demand and supply. Sometimes supply is high, demand is low. Sometimes demand is high, supply is low. So they are like inversely proportions over there. Okay, so matching demand with the resources in an unpredictable sector means there's uncertainty over there. So so with the supply chain management, the most important problem is uncertainty. Things are uncertain over there. Sometime you will have more supply, but demand will be less in the market. Sometime you will have a high demand, but the supply will be less over there. So there is a unpredictability sector in the supply chain management. So the most two important problem, one is about the customer. You need to make the customer happy, and the second is about the demand and supply of the resources over there. So resources which is relevant to the value chain or to the supply chain, and the second is the customer over there. So solution, that how technology gonna help you in this case. Manage cloud infrastructure. So if you manage a cloud infrastructure, yes, it's gonna help you. And on demand scalable services over there, right? So these two solutions gonna help you in the customer satisfaction and all in the matching resources over there, right? So you have to put this the demand according to the no, you have to put the request according to the demand of the resources over there. IT gonna solve this problem. So the IT will help you not to have a high demand and less supply, and vice versa as well. So illustrate the use of cloud computing to improve the effectiveness and the control cost over there.